Practical case how to use AI robot we will show using my comp consulting page. Here I have button, and now I can ask my bot whatever I want regarding digital transformation and AI chatbot questions. First, some common answer, and we can see the answer. So here are some goals what we want to achieve using chatbots. Of course, you can go to my web page comp-consulting.eu, and you can also get some additional information regarding chatbots and digitalization. For example, if I want to see which API solutions are available, I can ask here, and here you can see that OpenAI, IBM Watson, Google Cloud AI. There are different things, and now you can see that after the 3 questions, I can insert my name so that the chatbot can provide me some additional information so that they know who I am. But now I will skip this intro, and I will ask chatbot something in Slovenian language so that you can see that its answers are in the same language which the question is set. So I will ask how to embed chatbot to my web page and to give me some code sample, and you can see that the answer was in Slovenian language, and here is the code sample. How can I embed this chatbot to my web page? Of course, you can ask this chatbot also some other things regarding digitalization, digital processes, digital signatures. And now, because I got a lot of questions regarding legislation, what is ADAS? So this is from legislation point of view. ADAS is standard, and this is European legislation. I can also ask some in details. For example, how can I verify digital signature? Obtain the document, select the signature. Of course, you can do also this in this is from theoretical point of view, but of course, if I can ask this, you can also get some web pages where you can upload the document, and it is this. For example, the question I'm usually asked is, what is digital archive? And here you can see what are the key functionalities of digital archiving and what digital archive should provide. You can also ask something regarding, I don't know, BPM. IBM. And now, for example, I can ask something in Serbian language, which are the electronic services authorized by Serbian government, and I will ask which are the services, and here you can see where can I find so I want to register my services as a service unit, and here I can see that if I want to register my services, I got a link, and there is a document I have to use. So for example, what is cost to implement chatbot? Of course, it depends on different factors, but in general, there is one-time setup cost to train, to analyze the problem, to find the right solution, to configure the system, and the second one is monthly use cost, because this depends on the number of knowledge base, of the documents in the knowledge base, of the web pages there, and the numbers of interfaces. So thanks for listening this, and regarding any further information, please visit my website. Thanks.